Welcome back to another GT Homes exclusive. One of the questions we often hear is, what are the common elements of a condominium? Great question. Common elements are everything in a condominium that is not a unit. As a condo owner, you share common elements and common expenses fees in the condo building. Examples of common elements include, but are not limited to, lobbies, hallways, elevators, parking garages, amenities, garbage rooms, lockers, and the roof. Common elements can also include structural elements such as the walls between the units, doors, plumbing, and electrical work. When you purchase a condo unit, you become part of a condo corporation. This means you and other owners collectively share ownership of the common elements in the building. And as such, you have the responsibilities and expectations to meet. Everyone in the condo corporation is obligated to share the cost of maintaining, repairing, and replacing common elements by paying monthly fees included in your maintenance fees. How are common expense fees calculated? Every year, the condo board calculates a budget and splits it into monthly fees billed to each owner. These fees are broken down into several components: an amount for the operation of the condominium, an amount for a reserve fund, and/or an amount to pay for a portion of facilities shared with other condo corporations, like a parking garage or recreation center, if applicable. All owners in a condominium must share the cost of the maintenance fees and repairs of the common elements. The declaration, which acts as the constitution of the condo corporation, states that the proportions of the common interest allocated to each unit, expressed in percentages, how much each unit will pay for common expenses, which parts of the building will be exclusive use common elements, and the responsibilities of owners and the condo corporation to repair and maintain the units and common elements. For this reason, the cost of your common expense fees will vary depending on the size of your unit. Another question you may be wondering is, what is an exclusive use common element? Exclusive use common elements are part of the condominium that are only accessible to the owner of a unit or owner whose units are adjacent to them. Some examples of exclusive use common elements include, but are not limited to, balconies, patios, parking spaces, and can also include terraces, front yards, and backyards. It is also important to note that every condo corporation is unique in the breakdown between units and common elements. You can refer to your condo declaration if you're unsure what is considered a common element in your condo corporation or where your unit boundaries end and common elements begin. As a condo owner, you may be wondering if it is possible to make changes to the common elements. You may require approval from the condo board when considering making changes to the common elements or even exclusive use common elements. According to the condo corporation's declaration, bylaws, and rules, there may be rules for renovating or modifying designs, decor, or materials. Looking over these requirements under the Condo Act would be a good place to start before considering any changes. The condo board may approve a proposed modification, and there will be no requirement to provide notice to the owners if the change is to an exclusive use common element, and the board is satisfied that the modification will not have an adverse effect on units owned by other owners, give rise to any expense to the corporation, negatively impact the appearance of buildings on the property, affect the structural integrity of buildings, or contravene the declaration or any prescribed requirements. Understanding your responsibilities and rights is essential once you become a condo owner. Further, knowing the difference between common elements and exclusive common elements is important, especially when you're looking to modify the spaces. This way, you can adequately prepare for future changes or expenses that may arise. This has been another GT Homes exclusive. Remember to subscribe and to visit us at gtahomes.com.